Do you drive a GM vehicle with automatic fuel management or dynamic fuel management where it disables cylinders? You're going to want to see this. This is an AFM DFM disabler. This prevents your engine from shutting down cylinders, keeps you in V8 or V6 mode all the time, preventing the premature wear and tear on your engine components that many are concerned with. This device, super simple. It's plug and play right into your OBD-II port underneath the dash. And all it does is basically tell the computer of your vehicle that the conditions are not right for that automatic fuel management system to engage. So it keeps your car in V8 mode or V6 mode if it's a 6-cylinder all the time. It does not kick down to that V4 mode. So you're not going to feel the lag when it's switching back and forth. You're not going to have to worry about premature lifter failure, things like that. All just plugging in this simple device. And the great thing is this is not permanent. So if you go to sell the vehicle later and you don't want this to be on there, or you're afraid that it's going to raise eyebrows when you take it in for service and you want to take it out, go for it. But I've ran these on my GM vehicles for many years now with no issues. I've been running this one in particular on this Suburban, and again, not a bit of issues. I'm currently sitting at 178,000 miles. I bought this Suburban with around 140,000 on it, and hope to keep on ticking well past 200,000 miles. With any luck and a little help, we should get there. The engines in vehicles like this here, a Suburban with a 5.3 liter, that 5.3 liter engine that was in Chevrolet and GMC vehicles prior to 2007 was one of the most bulletproof engines on the planet. You'd regularly see those engines go 2, 3, even 400,000 miles sometimes. And with the introduction of automatic fuel management and dynamic fuel management, where engines were shutting down cylinders for minimal miles per gallon gains, the reliability of those engines has really went downhill. If you have that GM vehicle and you're worried about automatic fuel management or dynamic fuel management, this is exactly what you need to check out. Grab one of these, plug it in, and you'll be squared away. Hopefully get many, many, many more miles of enjoyment out of your vehicle.